Hi kids, look, the new toys here. Now I introduce all toys with you. Let's see. At first, this is a army helicopter, very beautiful, gorgeous army helicopter. Look, army helicopter. Brown and green color combination army helicopter. Next we see, look, this is a gun, A444 hot product style A444 gun, very smart toys. A444 gun, green and black color combination A444 gun. Next, this is another China toys. This is a small gun, black color, small gun. Next, another smart gun, very beautiful looking, another smart gun, black and yellow color combination, another smart gun. It is very strong product. Next, this is a baby toys, flower baby toys. It sounds very beautiful. Baby toys. It's green color smart toys. Next we see a helicopter, China police helicopter, very beautiful, deep blue color and black color combination, China police helicopter. This plastic is very strong, two wheel. Next, at last we see the 3D lighting elephant. It's a elephant toys, very strong, red and yellow color, smart elephant toys. It's a lighting elephant.